So these trenches also serve to divert some of the blast noise away from the rocket. This blast noise is especially troublesome for the engines, which can be damaged. Shockwaves can bounce off the launch pad and be absorbed by the rocket and the engines, causing them to violently shake. This can cause them to fail. It's also commonplace for rockets to release huge amounts of water beneath as they're launching off, and this helps absorb some of that energy and disrupt the shockwaves that might damage the rocket. And yes, SpaceX doesn't use